A very nice good morning to each one of you. I am an English teacher from Shivaji Group of Institution. Students, today we will do the chapter 11 and the name of the chapter is, am, are plus ing. Okay, so students please open the page number 39 of your book. In this chapter we will study words which tell us about doing any work are called action words. वर्ड्स जो हमें डूइंग वर्ड्स के बारे में बताते हैं उनको हम एक्शन वर्ड्स कहते हैं. जैसे कि द सन इज राइजिंग, बर्ड्स आर फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई. ओके, इन दिस यू सी वर्ड इज राइजिंग and the another word is are flying. Okay, are telling about some actions. These words are telling about the actions are flying, and this is telling about the birds, and the sun is rising, and this word is telling about the sun. Okay, so these words are telling about the actions. See, the sun is rising. In this we have used is plus rise plus ing. Okay, and see the second sentence. In this sentence we are talking about one thing, that's why we have used is plus one plus ing. One की first form plus ing. Okay, now in the second sentence birds are flying in the sky. In this we are talking about more than one thing, means we are talking about the plural birds. Then in this we have used are, then bird, then ing. See here we have used are for plural, then bird first form plus ing. Okay, then see words that tell us about some actions or called action words. Words जो हमको एक्शन के बारे में बताती हैं वो एक्शन वर्ड्स होते हैं या फिर उनको हम वर्ब भी कहते हैं. एक्शन वर्ड्स और we can say verb. Okay, now see the example. Riya is dancing. In this sentence the word this dancing is telling about Riya, that what Riya is doing. Okay, so the word which is telling about the noun, that what Riya is doing, these words are known as doing words, means action words or verb. Okay, see the second. Mohan is mother is cooking dinner. In this sentence the word cooking is telling about the noun, that is mother. Okay, this word is telling about mother, that what she is doing. Okay, in this ing with continuing action words along with is the are. In this also we have used ing with these action words. Okay, we use ing with continuing action words along with is and are. Now see, in this we use is when the subject is singular noun or pronoun. जब हमारा जो subject है वो singular noun या फिर pronoun में होता है, then we are using is for singular, and for plural we are using are. Okay, see, we use are when the subject is plural. जब हमारा सब्जेक्ट plural होता है, जैसे कि हमारा नाउन और प्रोनाउन plural होता है, तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं, वहां पे हम are यूज करते हैं. Then in that case we are using are. Example, we, you, they. When we are talking about we, you and they, then we are using are as a helping verb. Okay, then see the next. Children are playing. See the example, children are playing. In this sentence we are talking about many children, and the noun is plural, so here we will use are. Now see the next. We use am when the subject is I, first person pronoun. When there is I, then in that we are using am. Means with I we are always using am. See the example, I am teacher. I am teaching. So here we are talking about myself, then I have used I, and with I we are using am. Okay, so students This we have to read it at home again, and if you are having any query, can me. And then you see there is so many exercises which you have to do, and I will tell you in my next class. So students, thank you so much for watching this. Thank you. Have a great day. A very lovely good morning to each one of you. I am an English teacher from Shivaji Group of Institution. Students, this is the record section of your audio. Students, we were doing the written form of chapter 7, that is Rahul Sees a Rainbow. So my dear students, please open your notebook and open a fresh page. In that page, first you have to write the thought, and the thought is don't make excuses, make improvements. Then after that you have to write the lesson number, and this is chapter number 7. Then chapter name, Rahul Sees a Rainbow. Then write the first heading, that is hard words. Then underline the word. Then after that, the first word is brightly, B-R-I-G-H-T-L-Y, brightly. Then see second, counted, C-O-U-N-T-E-D, counted. The third is indigo, I-N-D-I-G-O, indigo. The fourth is marvelous, M-A-R-V-E-L-L-O-U-S, marvelous. The fifth word is reached, R-E-A-C-H-E-D, reached. The sixth, disappears, D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R-S, disappears. These are the 6 words. The first one, brightly. Second, counted. The third one, indigo. Fourth, marvelous. Fifth, reached. Sixth, disappears. After writing these words, you have to make a line, and then you have to write these hard words again. Okay? Then after the hard words, you have to write the next heading, that is word meaning. The first word is huge, and the meaning of this word huge is large. The second is marvelous, and the meaning of this word marvelous is amazing. The third, rainbow, and the meaning of this word rainbow is a band of 7 colors seen in the sky. Wow, in the sky. Okay. Then the next word is sky, and the meaning of this word sky is vast outer space seen from the earth. So students, these are the 4 word meaning which you have to do in your notebook. The first one, huge, large, marvelous, amazing. Third, rainbow, a band of 7 colors seen in the sky. The last one, sky, vast outer space seen from the earth. After writing this word meaning, you have to write the next heading, that is missing letters. The first one is S blank O blank blank E blank, and the word is S-T-O-P-P-E-D, stop. The second is brightly, B-R-I-G-H-T-L-Y, brightly. The third, marvelous, M-A-R-V-E-L-L-O-U-S, marvelous. The fourth is indigo, I-N-D-I-G-O, indigo. And next, the fifth is reached, R-E-A-C-H-E-D, reached. Students, these are the 5 missing letters which you have to do in your notebook in a neat and a clean handwriting, and the rest of the things we will do in my next class. So students, this we have to complete it in your notebook. So students, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Have a great day.